Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the Share Buttons widget in Elementor Pro. This is a fantastic way to encourage your website visitors to share your content across their social media platforms, helping you reach a wider audience and boost engagement. Let's dive right in and get this set up. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Simply open your browser, navigate to your website's admin URL, and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll have access to all the tools you need to customize your site. Next, head over to Pages and then click on All Pages. This will display a list of all the pages you've created on your website. Scroll through this list and look for the specific page where you want to add the share buttons. Once you've found it, click on Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor editor, giving you full control over your page design and layout. Now that you're in the Elementor canvas, look for the gray plus icon. This icon is your gateway to adding new elements and widgets to your page. Click on it to bring up the widget panel. You'll see a search bar on the left side of your screen where you can quickly find the widget you need. In that search bar, type in Share Buttons. Elementor will instantly filter the results, and you should see the Share Buttons widget appear. Once you spot it, simply drag the widget into your desired section or column on the page. You can place it anywhere that makes sense for your layout, whether that's at the top, bottom, or middle of your content. After you've placed the widget, it's time to customize which social networks you want to include. In the left panel, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Network. Click on Add Item to start adding your preferred social platforms. Each time you click it, you can select a different network such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or any other platform that's relevant to your audience. Keep adding networks until you've included all the ones you want your visitors to be able to share to. If you've upgraded to Elementor Pro, you'll have access to even more customization options. In the Content tab, you can set the alignment of your share buttons, choosing between left, center, or right to match your page design. You can also adjust the number of columns, for example, setting it to 3 if you want your buttons displayed in a neat row. These small tweaks can really polish the look and feel of your share buttons. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized share buttons on your Elementor page, making it easier for visitors to spread the word about your content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.